Down, Champ. Down, boy.
Champ! Here, Champ. Oh, there you are.
Yeah, here it is. I almost fell over him.
I'm glad to see you, Sam.
Yeah.
Did you get all your stuff?
I got the clothes, the pocket, the boots, and that kind of thing. Mr. Bear's out at the mercantile. I'm going to got my supplies on to the boat.
Hey, Sam. What makes you so sure you're going to get rich up there in the Klondike?
Jeremy, people are hauling out gold by barrelful. I just heard one man on the last boat. They had so many nuggets, it broke the handle off the satchel.
Wow, that's exciting.
Just think of it. Well, I've got to get going here. The boat leaves in 2 hours. Yeah, just think of it. Well, I've got to get going here. The boat leaves in 2 hours. Now I've got to get a good spot. It'll be jammed.
Come on, Champ. Let's see if you remember your tricks. Dead dog. Speak. Woo, woo, woo. Sit. Good dog. Say, I wonder if you could be a sled dog. We can pretend my wagon is a sled. Stand still now. That's a good dog. Now we'll put this rope around here like this. Just a minute. Now, that looks like it'll work. Now, Champ, they say mush in Alaska when they want you to go. You got that? Mush. Now let's try it. Okay, mush. Mush, Champ, mush. Come on, Champ, mush. I guess you're just not cut out to be a sled dog. Woo, woo, woo. I'll bet you're thirsty. Oh, you want to fetch, do you? Okay, here.
Have you got your money?
I got 500, that's what they say you need.
Are you sure you have everything, Sam? You can't expect to buy anything up there, you know?
I think so, Papa. Mr. Bear was checking everything on the list. Mom's taking care of the food on the boat.
Sam, I wish.
Papa, if I decide to go to the school at the university, I can go anytime. But if I want to find gold, I've got to go now before it's all gone.
Sam, more people are gonna get rich down here in Seattle than up there in Klondike. While we sold more of the mail this month than all last year. If you...
Papa, I'm going and that's that.
Here's the basket, Sam. I hope you've got enough to eat and enough warm clothes. I wish you'd wait until later when it wouldn't be so cold.
Can't do that, Mama. The sooner I get that, the better.
Oh, I will worry about you.
Mama, I'm 19 years old. I can take care of myself. I'll buy you a hat, Mama. I'll bring you a gold nugget as big as your fist, Jeremy. Papa, are you ready to go?
Can I ride along?
Not enough room with all my gear.
Bye. Bye. Mama, Champ's gone.
Don't worry, Jeremy. He'll be back. He always comes back. You better get busy. You haven't filled the wood box yet.
Champ! Champ! Mama, he never stayed away this long. You know that.
He'll be back when it gets dark. He's a smart dog, Jeremy.
Yeah, he is. He's smart to know I'll be where he didn't come home.
Jeremy, I need a bag of flour. Will you please go down to the mercantile and get it for me? You can look for Champ on the way.
Yes, Mama.
Have Mr. Barry put it on the bill, and you can have him add a penny for a candy stick.
And one for Champ.
And one for Tramp.
Champ! Champ!
Where was Jeremy headed?
To the mercantile to get some flour I don't need, but he's been moping around here all afternoon. I wish that dog would come back.
Harriet, I'm not sure that dog will come back.
What do you mean, John?
Well, ever since that last boat came in from Alaska, people have been going crazy.
Crazy?
Gold crazy. The prospectors are buying everything in sight. The stores are selling anything they can get their hands on. The prices you wouldn't believe.
What does that have to do with Champ?
Some of those rascals are selling sled dogs.
So?
They're selling sled dogs for sled dogs that aren't even huskies or malamutes. They're just ordinary dogs.
Who'd buy them?
Some poor soul from St. Louis who doesn't know a sled from a bug wagon.
Oh, John, do you think someone's trying to sell Champ?
I don't know. Lots of lost dogs advertised in the paper. I'd say Champ would be here home now, unless he couldn't get home.
Oh, this gold rush is nothing but trouble. Champ's gone, and I'm worried sick about Sam. Did he get on the boat all right?
along with a million other people and horses and mules and dogs. He'll be all right, Harriet.
He's not a rugged pioneer, John.
Yes, but he's a grown man, and we have to let him live his own life.
Well, I missed the last boat, but I'm first in line for the next one. Are you sure I won't need any more than one gold pan?
You only got 2 hands, haven't you? Well, then one ought to. Good luck. Well, hello there, Jeremy. How are you today? Not so good, Mr. Barrett. Champ's lost. Champ? My dog. Oh, that's too bad, Jeremy. Well, what can I do for you? My mother needs a bag of flour. She does? She sure must be baking a lot of bread. I think I can fix you up.
Mush! Mush, you dumb mutt! Mush! Pull that sled! Come on, you stupid mongrel!
Hey, that's too heavy for a dog. He can't pull that.
Get out of here, kid! This is none of your business!
But you're hurting that dog. Don't you know how it feels?
Let go of my arm and I'll show you how it feels, you little crumb!
Mr. Barrett, did you see that mean old man whipping that poor dog? What was he trying to do? He's trying to train him to pull a sled over the snow so we can sell him to Yukon gold miner. But there isn't any snow, and he didn't look like a sled dog. Nah, I probably picked him up someplace for 25 cents and will sell him for $25. Some scalawags would do anything to get the dog. Here's a flower. Hope you find the dog.
You head for the Klondike too, I believe?
Nope, not the Klondike.
I thought everybody on this boat was heading for Klondike,
I'm only going as far as Skagway.
but the gold fields all over the mountains from Skagway.
That's right. 2 or 3 months of crawling up mountains, struggling through glaciers, then you finally get to Dawson City, if you're lucky.
You don't sound very excited about the gold and the Klondike.
No, but my brother was excited about it, real excited, until he froze to death.
Froze to death?
On Heartbreak Pass, you maybe heard of that. Well, I'm going to Skagway to bring him home.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, well, most of them on that trip don't get rich. They're lucky if they get out alive.
But your brother had a great dream.
Yeah, a lot of good those nuggets will do him now. Well, I'm going to try to get in the big cabin before I bed down. You better turn in early, or you won't find enough room for your bedroll.
Thanks. Champ, is that you? It is you. What are you doing, Champ?
Champ, this here is Tiger.
He's my brother's dog.
You're nuts. I paid good money for the sled dog.
Sled dog? What do you mean, sled dog?
There happens to be snow up there in the Klondike, mister. Don't you know that? You need sleds to get your gold out and dogs to pull the sleds. Come on, Tiger.
Well, you can't take Champ. Come on, Champ. See, he knows me. Where'd you get him anyway?
Listen, fella, I paid $50 for this dog, and he's mine.
Well, you got Jip. He's no more sled dog than I am. I'll buy him back.
If you got $200, you can have him.
200, but you only paid $50.
Prices have gone up. Dogs are hard to come by in Skagway.
I can't afford 200.
Take it or leave it, fella. Come on, Tiger.
How was school today, Jeremy?
All right.
I sure hope you're not thinking about Champ so much you haven't been paying attention in school.
No, Mama.
Jeremy, Champ's been gone for 10 days. I think you'll have to face the fact that he may not be coming back.
I know.
The Merriweathers have a collie that's going to have puppies soon. Maybe we can get one of them for you.
I don't want a puppet. I want Champ back.
Well, I can't say that I want a puppy now either, but I do think those collies are nice dogs.
Ooh, 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 ooh. What was that? It sounded like Champ.
Don't get excited. doubt it. It's probably just some dog on the street.
No, it's Champ. Oh, Sam, where'd you find him?
I bought him from a gold miner on the boat, Jeremy.
You bought him?
Yes, and believe me, Jeremy, Champ is the gold nugget I promised you. After I paid to get him back, I didn't have enough money to go anywhere else but back home. I hopped the next boat back to Seattle.
Then he was stolen.
Your father will be as just excited as we are. You better go to the mill right now and tell him.
Yes, I've got to pick up my gear too. See you soon. And Mama, I'm glad to be back.
Glad to see you. Welcome back, Champ. I think the first thing we should do is give Champ a nice bath.